Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the easy recipe of fried rice. Ingredient: 3 rice spoons of cooked rice, and then 2 sheets of smoked beef, 2 sheets of cheddar cheese, a tablespoon of canned tuna, cheese sauce and chili sauce, cooking oil, and the last one, a teaspoon of seasoning. First, turn on the stove. Pour the cooking oil to the pan. While we wait the pan to heat up, let's cut the smoked beef and the cheddar cheese into pieces. Put the rice into the pan. Stir the rice and the oil till it mixes. Put the cheddar cheese and the smoked beef into the pan. Mix it up. Put canned tuna into the pan and still mix it up. And the last one, put the seasoning into the pan and mix it up. The yummy fried rice is ready. I use a small bowl to shape the rice. By the way, the portion is for 3 servings. Oops, it's a bit messy. Itadakimasu. It's so savory and cheesy. Ambil.